Kweth maketo piny owacho tesre wuoko ka giwacho ni winjruok mar Kenya kod piny Amerika ni kod mudho kendo ok gipuodhe. Kweth nokotenle kod Rigathi Gachagua kod Kalonzo Musyoka ka giwacho ni gin kod jo Kenya mamoko ok girwako kenge maketo kembe piny owacho e lwet ji giwegi.
Safaricom, our national crown jewel, had 15% of its shares sold at a fraction of its true value. Kenya Pipeline, the lifeline of our energy sector, is also facing the same threat. JKIA, our gateway to the world, has been compromised in management decisions favoring profit over national security. And KCB, a pillar of financial system, has been manipulated to benefit a few insiders. This is not economic reform. This is international neocolonialism, a quiet auctioning over sovereignty.
For those of you who will go to Nakuru and Western Kenya, mkifika pale Limuru, where Ruto launched the Ridoni Mau Summit Road, there is only a signboard. There is no equipment, not even a wheelbarrow. So the real challenge of this country is lies by William Ruto.
We are eagerly wait to see what the results of the recent election and the results of the recent examinations, curriculum-based education. We all know there's been confusion even in that sector. It's like a groping in the dark every step of the way.
Ya Ramogi tok report ma bendi kwedo godo piny owacho kod kweth moro ma kwedo piny owacho wakao yweyo wa mokwongo kikidhi mabor pod wantiere